Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Krisha's Learning Lab. Today we will see what is space. Do you know what is space? So let's see what is it. So what is space? Space begins where Earth's atmosphere ends. There was a time when space was believed to be empty. However, this was not true. The vast gaps between the stars and the planets are filled with huge amounts of gases and dust. Even the emptiest parts of the space contain at least a few hundred atoms or molecules per cubic meter. So, space is black. There is neither air to breathe nor light to scatter, making it difficult for humans to survive. The space is black and not blue like a sky. This is because the oxygen molecules is comparatively less in space. It mainly consists of vacuum and the molecules present are not sufficiently close, because of which sound does not get transmitted. How big is it? No one really knows how big space is. Long distances in space are measured in light years, which represents the distance that light takes to travel in a year. This is roughly about 9.3 trillion kilometers. Marvels of space. Besides vacuum, space consists of planets, stars, several hundred galaxies, matter, dust, gases, and so on. Just like we have winds, there are solar winds that occur in space. Let us look at all the amazing things that exist high up in the heavens that leave us awestruck every time we explore it. Introduction to space. Outer space is the empty void that exists between various celestial bodies, including Earth. Space is not completely empty. It consists of hard vacuum with low density of particles, mostly plasma, of hydrogen and helium, as well as some electromagnetic radiation, magnetic field, dust, and cosmic rays. Temperature. The baseline temperature in space is 2.7 Kelvin. There is a fourth state of matter called plasma, which is neither solid, liquid, or gaseous. It has a density of less than 1 hydrogen atom per cubic meter and a temperature of millions of Kelvin. It lies in the space between the galaxies. The local concentrations of plasma have condensed into stars and galaxies. Observations have provided evidence that 90% of the mass is most galaxies is in an unknown form called dark matter. Dark matter interacts with other matter through gravitational forces, but not electromagnetic forces. You can see the picture of dark matter here. Outer space environment. Outer space is a void that lies beyond the uppermost ranges of the atmosphere of Earth and between all other objects in the universe. Although it is considered to be a void, outer space can be thought of as an environment in itself. Radiation and objects pass freely through it. A human or another living being in the outer space environment without any protection would not survive even for a few moments. Outer space environment. The basic environmental characteristic of outer space is the vacuum or the nearly total absence of gas molecules. The gravitational attraction of large bodies such as planets and stars pull the gas molecules close to their surfaces, which leaves the space between them practically empty. Stray gas molecules are usually found between these bodies. Their density is so low that they can be thought as being unreal. Atmospheric pressure is almost zero in outer space. Temperature in outer space are hazardous. The objects that receive sunlight in space and are the Earth's distance from the sun can scale to the over 120 degrees Celsius, while those on the shaded side can be as low as minus 100 degrees Celsius. Pressure in space on humans. The sudden absence of external pressure that balances the internal pressure of the body would damage delicate tissues such as the eardrums and capillaries. The body would swell, causing tissue damage and lack of oxygen supply to the brain. This would result in unconsciousness in under 10 seconds. Dissolved gases in the body fluids will expand, causing the skin to stretch much like a pumped up balloon. Bubbles would form in the bloodstream, making it ineffective as a transporter of oxygen and nutrients to the body cells. Other environmental factors. There are other environmental factors in space such as microgravity, radiation of electrically charged particles from sun, ultraviolet radiations, and meteorites. Thank you friends. Hope you like this video. So please like this video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share this video. Thank you. Bye.